With a robust digital enterprise connecting design through manufacturing, you can streamline your build-to-order assembly planning processes. As a manufacturing engineer working in an engineering change workflow, I review the design change to understand manufacturing impact. I create a manufacturing change notice. Teamcenter EasyPlan, a task-based process planning solution, provides key capabilities with industry best practices to support and execute manufacturing planning. EasyPlan guides me through manufacturing BOM or MBOM creation. Processes are updated and collaboration with other domain stakeholders is streamlined. EasyPlan automatically aligns with equivalent assemblies. It calculates the assignments from each. This reduces errors and helps me work smarter. Visual indicators help me ensure that BOM structures are aligned based on the latest data. The dynamic panel keeps me informed of updates to the change implementation and the current status on the tasks. Manufacturing materials can be added from the Teamcenter library to complete production planning. I can validate the maturity of the structures in the MBOM based on the validation test defined earlier. As part of the change process, I review the plant's lines and stations and add tools required for manufacturing. A live 3D viewer helps to ensure data accuracy and allows production line visibility. As a manufacturing engineer, I'm now implementing changes to the Product Bill of Process, or BOP. This is based on the updated manufacturing BOM. With system guidance, I can work smarter when revising and updating operations with the latest product data, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. The live 3D viewer shows visual alignment of the product changes. This continues throughout the digital thread, from design to manufacturing. As part of the changes, I modify the process with new operations and resequencing. I can easily update time study activities for each operation, which can be validated later on using Siemens Process Simulate. EasyPlan supports MTM data cards and Tycon. EasyPlan quickly aligns the product BOP and the plant-specific BOP. The system guides me, updating partial changes and new content. As part of Teamcenter Product Lifecycle Management, EasyPlan will automatically revise the required processes to support the latest product bill of process data and production flows. Using the Teamcenter Resources Library, I can easily add the necessary manufacturing elements to the relevant operations in the bill of process. As an industrial engineer, I can view the production line to quickly see violations, filtering by different product variants. With a task-based user interface, I can easily optimize the lines and address exceeding take times. Siemens Line Designer is used to lay out the facility and work areas and define the bill of equipment, or BOE, all using the same process planning datasets. Using Line Designer, we're implementing the changes needed to optimize the production line, ensuring the relevant resources are moved from station to station. Using Connected Process Simulate, I can simulate and validate assembly processes. As a simulation engineer, I use the process data defined in EasyPlan to validate the feasibility of the brakes installation. As a manufacturing engineer, I need to pay attention to the surrounding. EasyPlan enables me to create background parts in the process plan by assigning EBOM assemblies to be included in the graphical work instructions in both EasyPlan and Teamcenter Visualization. Using an intuitive work instructions editor, I can easily update to the latest textual work instructions, as well as the visual aid assets. I'm guided in each task with relevant product and tooling data for each operation. With Teamcenter Visualization, I have a rich 3D visualization environment where I can easily enhance the product views with more details and ensure background parts are included in the updated product views. Shop floor operators use the electronic work instructions, which include the latest assembly information and visual aids, created by all stakeholders. The changes for the manufacturing change notice have now been implemented using Teamcenter EasyPlan and integrated manufacturing solutions.